If you're still struggling to receive foreign currencies in Nigeria as a freelancer or as an affiliate marketer, struggling to receive dollar, euro or pounds, I've got you covered on this one, because in this video I'm going to show you the best app I've ever used to receive over $5,000 from my foreign clients in the last 5 years of working online as an affiliate marketer and as a web designer. If these are things you love, consider watching this video till the end. By the way, if you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing, and also help business owners build professional websites with WooCommerce, WordPress, and Shopify. So let's get into it. If it is something you love, consider subscribing. Let's go there. Let me quickly show you how I receive foreign currencies in Nigeria. Maybe you're working as a freelancer or you're into affiliate blogging and all of that, and then you receive foreign payments like dollar, euro and pounds, but you're struggling on how to receive them into your bank account. Let me quickly show you the payment I received yesterday and how I was able to do that using GBP. So there are so many ways you can receive foreign currencies in Nigeria. One of them is using domiciliary account. Number two is using these apps that gives you access to a foreign bank account. So I have an account with GBP, I have an account with Gray, and I use both of them. As you can see, this is my account and this is the transaction that came in yesterday. Let me quickly open it. October 21st, today is 22nd. So this money came in from this particular company. It's a company I worked for, actually from Upwards company. They used Wise to send me this amount of money, so I received 63, but then I was charged 1.5 to receive this from into my GBP account, as you can see. So it landed here. Now I have this. Okay, I have, this is the amount remaining in my account. I just want to show you, this is not the first time I'm using GBP to receive. I've received a lot of them. Okay, I also use their dollar card. If you can see my transactions, I've used their cards to, subscribe to ChatGPT and all of that. I also use them to purchase domain and host. So let me quickly show you my card. This is my dollar card with GBP. I have made a video on this channel that talks about how to create accounts with GBP. I will leave the link to GBP in my description of this video so that you can click on it and download the app, quickly sign up so that you will be able to use it to receive money wherever you are in Nigeria. You can receive. All you will do is just to create an account. They will give you a bank account, then send it to your client. These are receiving accounts, USD account, British pounds account, and all of that. So if you open any of them now, I won't be able to open them, so you don't see my account. So you can decide to send it to your client or whichever company that wants you to pay. You don't have any problem. And one thing I like about GBP is that they offers you both accounts. Like if you want to receive money from someone in US, they have an account you can send. If you are receiving money from anywhere else in the world, they are going to give you another account too. But that's one thing I have not seen on Gray. I use both of the platforms. In fact, the payment I made today, I use Gray dollar card to do that, but the payment I received yesterday, I use GBP. So I use them side by side. When it comes to receiving payments from other companies, GBP is the best. When it comes to dollar card, both of them are the best. In time, I only compare their exchange rates before using any of them, as you can see. And I always recommend GBP. If you are receiving money from anywhere, they will issue you bank accounts that you can use. These are my bank accounts, as you can see. If I open any of them now, you'll be able to see the accounts I have. But I don't want to do that. I just want to let you know that it is possible to receive dollar, euro and pounds in Nigeria. As long as you're working for any foreign company, you're doing blogging and all of that, you can do all of this. Just create an account and then you will be able to achieve that. I have already showed you this. Make sure you stick to this channel and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question to ask me on receiving international payments, please feel free to use the comment section to ask me, and watch other videos I've done in the past on how to use GBP to make payments, or even how to get their dollar card. It's as simple as that. See you in my next video.